This is the JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter or edit employee details. This includes all ADF payroll deductions and direct deposit information. Before entering a deduction, make sure the ADF record exists in the ADF list under Settings. If not, refer to the JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new ADF record. In the main cabinet, go to Payroll, click on Employee List. To add employee detail to an existing employee, click on the employee name from the employee list. Click on the Employee Details tab at the top of the screen. Then select the blue Add button, or if editing an employee detail, select the Detail ADF record you wish to edit. When entering or editing employee detail information, be sure to fill out anything with a red asterisk or the employee detail will not save to the employee. All other fields can be utilized on a per employee detail basis. Select the employee name from the dropdown. Choose the ADF from the dropdown that you want to add to this employee. Select the union detail, frequency, and calculation type for this deduction from the dropdowns. Rate amount, maximum ceiling amount. Account is the general ledger account for this ADF record. When setting up direct deposit ADF, enter the electronic transfer routing, account, and transaction code. The following are utilized when setting up federal and state withholding deductions. There are additional user text fields that the system administrator can customize and use these user field labels to use to store additional information about the ADF for this employee. Click Save when done entering new employee detail. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new employee details. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing employee detail, and it will close the current employee detail tab.